Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 or KB5082417 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option, hit pause. And once the update is paused, click on resume updates and let the update complete, and you can restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The next step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Scroll down somewhere at the bottom. You will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click. Click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, you can run this command. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Let the scan complete. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the third scan is 100% complete over here, restart your PC. After the system restart, update your Windows 11. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769 or KB5082417. Click on search. Now let me change the language over here. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case the version is 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and check your system type. So in my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download. Now click on KB5083769, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, and then restart your PC and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your PC and then you can check. Now the next step is to use media creation tool. So open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file. Click on next, and then you can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, this will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. This will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.